Now you can use a lot of different types of oil to quench with. I prefer just using an old can out of the recycle bin, and old motor oil. Stuff works the best, especially when you're dealing with mild steel. You want to fill her up. Alright, now that you have that filled, just set that aside. Put it on a relatively decent surface that I can leave it right there. That'll be fine. It won't hurt nothing up there. Now, if you look real closely at the fire, which I know the video isn't going to be that in-depth when it comes to the quality, but you'll actually start seeing little sparks and little fizzles coming out. That's actually the iron starting to burn. If you start seeing that, that is good and bad. It means it's ready to be quenched, and bad because you're probably going to melt your part. So you got to watch it very carefully, and you got to be very knowledgeable. And another thing is you probably can actually hear it when it starts to you can actually start hearing it tink a little bit when the steel starts getting to the temperature. Now I'm starting to hear it tink, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take a magnet. I already have one right here. Oop.